Imagine never worrying about a dead battery again. Whether you're traveling, working, or gaming, meet the CUKTECH 15 Ultra Power Bank, a compact yet powerful solution that redefines portable charging with cutting-edge features and blazing fast speeds. Designed for modern lifestyles, this power bank packs a 20,000 mAh capacity and delivers up to 165 watts W of total output, making it capable of charging smartphones, laptops, tablets, and more, all simultaneously. The standout feature is its beast mode technology, which allows the power bank to recharge itself at an incredible speed. With dual USB-C ports supporting up to 165 watts of input, the battery can fully recharge in just 45 minutes. A quick 10-minute charge provides enough power to fully recharge an iPhone 15 more than once, ensuring you're always ready to go. For Xiaomi users, the power bank offers up to 210 watts total output, with individual port capabilities of 140 watts for Type C1, 65 watts for Type C2, or 90 watts for Xiaomi devices, and 33 watts for USB-A. Adding to its versatility is the 1.3-inch TFT Smart Display, which provides real-time updates on charging status, temperature alerts, and input-output monitoring. The display also allows users to toggle between dual-port modes and customize settings for optimal performance. Its intelligent power distribution ensures every connected device receives the perfect charge without overloading or overheating. With universal compatibility supporting fast charging protocols like PPS, QC, PD 3.1, FCP, SCP, and MePPS, the CUKTECH 15 Ultra works seamlessly with a wide range of devices, from MacBooks to Android phones. The compact design measures just 5.98 inches by 2.25 inches by 1.75 inches and weighs only 1.3 pounds, making it portable enough for travel while remaining airline safe under TSA/FAA limits. Whether you're powering up multiple devices or need a reliable backup during long trips, the CUKTECH 15 Ultra delivers unmatched efficiency and convenience at a price of $119.99, with discounts available. With its sleek polymer shell and advanced features like pass-through charging and customizable port modes, this power bank is truly a game changer for anyone who needs power on the go.